Hello, my name is Matthew Lape, and this is Mark Typan, and together we are the creators of KLAS, or Kingsbury Location Awareness System.
KLAS is an indoor location awareness system designed to help students and visitors navigate the second floor of Kingsbury Hall here at the UNH campus. The system consists of a handheld device running the KLAS software, which has location determination abilities. There are two user interactive applications with the KLAS software: the tour guide and the navigator. These applications were developed using the Project 54 framework and are run by the Project 54 application manager.
The system infrastructure utilizes IEEE 802.11 access points, such as this one, to deterministically estimate a user's location. This allows both the navigation and tour guide applications to provide relevant data to our users. In this video, we'll take the next few moments to discuss with you the key attributes and components of KLAS, discussing specifically the system infrastructure development, software creation, as well as giving a brief demonstration of both the navigation and tour guide applications. The KLAS infrastructure was designed to use the pre-established Wi-Fi access points that were installed by the university within Kingsbury Hall. The way in which KLAS utilizes these access points is by receiving the beacon signals that they send out regularly, which are used to inform Wi-Fi users of their existence. Because the signal strengths from these access points attenuate or weaken over distance, and because at any given moment within our system's operational region, the user can receive a signal from multiple access points, we are able to create a master list of signal strength readings at certain selected locations. From the master list, a map was created to show the system's operational region divided into area sections. These areas were created by combining certain points on the master list that had similar signal strengths, therefore allowing less error and distinguishing between the possible user locations. With these areas, and with the user's current signal strength readings, the system can determine, through the KLAS software, the user's location. Because KLAS was developed using an industry-standard technology, the system is able to be portable and therefore can be installed in any Wi-Fi equipped building.
The KLAS software was designed using the Project 54 PDA framework developed by KLAS here at UNH. While this was developed using an HP iPAQ PDA, the software can be used on any device that has an IEEE 802.11 interface and runs Windows Mobile 5.0 or greater, such as the latest smartphone. The software was developed using C++, the .NET framework, COM, and Visual Studio's 2005 as the development platform. The KLAS software is split into three different components: the location determination applications, the tour guide, and the navigator. The location determination applications run in the background. They use the device's IEEE 802.11 interface to read the received signal strength indicator values to specific access points in Kingsbury Hall. These values are then fed through the location algorithm to determine the user's current location. The other two KLAS software components are the user interactive applications. The tour guide software reads and outputs the contents of a predefined text file depending on the user's current location and requests. The navigator software utilizes dexterous algorithm to calculate the shortest path for a route. As the user travels along the route, pictures are displayed to give real-time travel instructions. The KLAS navigation application allows a user to obtain directions from their current location to any room on the second floor of Kingsbury Hall. First, the user has to select the destination by scrolling through the list of room numbers using these two buttons on the right. It looks like Oscar has found the room he wants, and by pressing the Create Route button, he will start receiving directions to room W219, or Dr. Andrew Kuhn's office. As Oscar travels to Dr. Kuhn's office, you can observe what map he sees on his PDA on the top left corner of the screen. The orange portion of the map is where the user is, and the arrow directs where the user should go. You may also notice the colored border surrounding the screenshot change throughout this video. This indicates the transition from one map to another. Moving to the next map, Oscar can see that to get to his destination, he must pass through this current region indicated by the white arrow. As Oscar approaches his destination, the arrow becomes a line with a dot at the end. This dot signifies the user's destination. Looks like for Oscar, room W219 is the third door down on the right. Want your own personal tour guide of Kingsbury Hall? Well, you are in luck. KLAS provides users the ability to have their own digital tour guide. The tour guide application uses the system's location determination ability to assist the user in finding out information about his or her surrounding environment. Looking at the application, we can see a map displayed on the PDA screen. The shaded orange region is where the user is currently located in. The shaded red box is the selected room the user can learn more information about. When the user presses the toggle room button, this red box will move to the next room. Using this button, the user can select any nearby room and learn more information about its use and its occupants. Once the desired room is highlighted, the user can then press the Room Info button to see detailed information about the room's purpose, the occupants of the room, as well as their contact information. The user can toggle through the rooms in this information screen as well. By pressing the Toggle Room button, the user can cycle through a list of nearby rooms. Finally, if the user wishes to view the map again, he or she can simply press the Map button. In this example, we can see Nemanja entering the EC department area of Kingsbury Hall. He was told by one of his professors to meet him in the biomedical lab to take a makeup exam. Unfortunately, he forgot to find out what the room number was for that lab. However, he remembers that through the KLAS tour guide application, he can access the professor's contact information where his lab rooms and common workplaces are listed. The lab room number is S220, which is just up the hall. It looks like Nemanja will make it to his exam on time.